that, bro. That
cricket might be dead.
Oh.
I think you pooped out the motor.
Is it possible that we put one in?
It's possible.
Let's go all the way over there. 3, 2, 1.
Good job.
You see the he is like throwing up right now. Why is it so thin? I get it. Good.
All right.
2, 1. Oh yeah.
That was a pop.
I can see him running. Oh, Lord. Oh, Abby. Go, Aiden.
No, just let it land.
Say no.
Just let it land.
Oh my god. No parachute.
Oh.
I'm high. Three, two, one.
And down.
3, 2, 1. Here,
Yeah.
so cool. Grab out of me.
Very cool.
Oh.